Hi, this is Angela from Warped Weft. Today I'm going to demonstrate a tuck closure that I call the flip flip flap, made with a layered image. So I'm just going to take the lady off, and then this layer here and this layer here. Now this layer is going to go on here but away from the edge here. So I'm just going to glue that down. Okay, so I'm just going to glue it so that it stays on the card, but it's just a little bit off this. Okay, the next part is to put this on. So that's going to go like that. And then I'm just going to pull this back slightly. Draw a line. Now I know it's got to be on that side, so I'm just going to put a little tick there because more than once I have glued the wrong side. So just put the glue on this side. Right up to that line, squiggle down the middle, and now I'm going to glue that slightly over to cover that line that I drew. So there's my other piece. Now that's the bit that's going to tuck under. So I'm going to put this on top and do the same thing. So just position it where you want it. And then this is the part that doesn't need to be glued. So if you hold it down like that, you can glue the bit, the right bit, which is this part here. Then fold it over and glue down. And I'm just going to push it slightly that way, smooth the glue out a bit more. And that's how you do the flip flip flap closure.